Well, guys, hi, this is Radio Man Harris. Wanted to show y'all what I made out of the Toshiba, that blue Toshiba. Let me see the model here, TX-PR20. I made me a large radio speaker out of it since it had more of the older ICF broadcast receiving technology. So I hooked it. Did it, and unscrewed it. Took the little speaker out right here, and I wired the big one to it, and then it runs pretty well off of that. It's fairly loud and it picks up pretty good, and it uses two double A's, and actually they don't go dead too quick, so very good thing on that to know. So maybe I can play it a little for you right quick. Hold on one moment. Can't play it too long because of copyright. So, yeah, it picks up pretty good. So, figured I'd show it to y'all that again. To any of those that ask me why I don't film in portrait mode, well, this isn't really a camera. It's coming from this older Samsung Galaxy Tab A. So, I'm about to change all that starting tomorrow. So, I keep saying that, but it's taking some saving up money to start the channel. So, you always have to pay in a little something to get big out of something hopefully later on. So that's the why. That is why. And that's why I'm a little shaky too, because this is a little on the big side to be holding in portrait mode. It's like I said, it's 10.1. Hopefully the new device I have will work, and if not, then I'll get a YouTube camera. So that'll pull another 200 or so out of my pocket, but hey, I can do it. So, anyway, this is Radio Man Harris. Like and subscribe, and hopefully I can make more videos soon. Alright? Y'all take care now. Keep watching.